First one, the perpendicular distance from origin to line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is modulus of c by root of a square plus b square. That is modulus of constant by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient whole square. X coefficient square plus y coefficient square. This is one of the important formula you have to remember. Okay, this is the formula to find the perpendicular distance from point origin to a line. Now we are going to find one more formula. Next one, perpendicular distance. You see here, perpendicular distance from origin to this line. What is the formula? Modulus of constant by, I will give one example here. Example, find perpendicular distance from origin to 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Examples జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వినండి, డైరెక్ట్ గా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయదు, మీరు వినండి. First, the solution is, what about the formula? Here we have to compare this one with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 4. What is our formula? Mod c by root of a square plus b square. Modulus of 4 by root of 2 square plus minus 3 square. That is 4 by 4 plus 9. That is 30. Okay? That is one example. Next, one more formula we are going to prove. Perpendicular distance from alpha comma beta to line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is modulus of a alpha plus b beta plus c by root of a square plus b square. This is one formula. Here the above formula, previous one is from origin 0 0 and we are finding from alpha beta to this line is this one. Just you put this point in the equation. అంటే ఎలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలో చెప్తున్నాను. You replace this alpha beta here in xy. Now you will get a alpha plus b beta. X place లో alpha, y place లో beta substitute చేస్తే a alpha plus b beta plus c by root of same x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. So whenever perpendicular distance asked from a point to a given line, just replace that point in the given equation by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. I will prove the proof. Proof is not necessary. Example adagaru, but you have to know. Andukani cheppanu. So this is axis and here is a line ax plus by plus c. That line is like this. Anukundam. This is our origin 0 0. We have to find the distance from, not from origin, some point here alpha beta. We have to find this angle, this distance, perpendicular distance. Okay, this is original axis and we have to find perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the line. How we can do this? నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే I am shifting the origin to this point. I am shifting the origin to this point. Let this will be the new origin. Okay na? Let alpha comma beta be the new origin. New origin. This is new origin. Origin akkadi తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయాను. Okay? Next, what will be the equation of the line? Then transformed equation of the line. Transformed equation of line is a into x plus alpha plus b into y plus beta plus c is equal to. This is the original equation. We are going to find a transformed equation, new equation. So we have to replace small x is equal to capital X plus alpha and small y is equal to capital Y plus beta. Next you write like ax plus by plus a alpha plus b beta plus c is equal to 0. Ax, by, x, y, and then it is constant. So this is the new line, transformed line. This is the new line. So now the perpendicular distance from origin to line 1. Line 1 means new line. Okay? What is the perpendicular distance from origin formula? Modulus of constant. Modulus of constant. What is constant here? Modulus of a alpha plus b beta plus c by root of a square plus b square. Okay? ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేసాం మరొకసారి చెప్తా చూడండి. We have to find perpendicular distance from point to this line. అది క్వశ్చన్. నేనేం చేశాను, origin is shifted to ఇక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళాను. So this will be the origin and this is the new equation. So if you know the origin and the line, what will be the perpendicular distance? Modulus of constant by x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. Okay, I will write one example, right? Okay, I will give here one example. Perpendicular distance from -1 comma 2 to the line 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 is perpendicular distance from point to another line. So what about the solution? There is no necessity to remember this formula. Just to replace the point in the equation, you substitute the point here. Modulus of, ఎందుకని modulus రాస్తున్నాం? Distance is always positive. So 3 into -1 minus 2 into y means 2 plus 4 by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. So this is -3, -4 plus 4 cancel. So -3. Modulus of -3 means 3 by root of 13. That will be the answer. Write down or take a screenshot. Okay, so read the formula first, that is very important. You read the formula. Perpendicular distance from origin is modulus of constant, or you can say origin means 0 0. You substitute origin here, 0 plus 0 plus c, that will be the c by root of, or you substitute the point a alpha plus b beta plus c. Formula is very simple. Just you substitute the point in the equation by under root x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. Okay, now I will prove one more formula, that is ఇలాగా మీరు ఆ ఫార్ములా చదువుకోండి. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ యువర్ వాల్యుబుల్ టైం అండ్ డేటా. జస్ట్ యు రీడ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా ఆర్ యు టేక్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ది ఎగ్జాంపుల్. So I am going to prove one more formula, that is distance between the parallel lines. Distance between the parallel lines. Okay. ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్న చేశారా మళ్ళీ గ్యాప్ లో. Now see the next one. This is also one of the important formula you have to remember. Put a box. ఈ బాక్స్ 2 years వరకు సేఫ్ ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్, డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ parallel lines ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. Okay, distance between the parallel lines, only parallel lines. You see, parallel means x coefficient y coefficient should be same, constant will be different. Slopes will be same because if the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So like this. So what about the formula? Just c1 minus c2, c1 minus c2 by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. How to prove? Proof is not important, but you have to listen. That is it. Okay? Proof. How to do this one? I am taking two lines. This is ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. This is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay, these are two parallels. We have to find the distance between these two. The distances are same, you take anywhere, because these two are parallel. Suppose I am taking a point alpha beta here. Okay, now this will be the perpendicular distance. Distance means perpendicular. When a point and a line is given, this is always perpendicular distance. We have to find this distance. Okay, you see, let alpha beta lie on, I am taking on a line ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Since this point lie on the line, it satisfies. So a alpha plus b beta plus c2 is equal to 0. That is a alpha plus b beta is equal to minus c. Then Bhadran Rasa for difference of better. So this point I am assuming this point lie on the line. This point lie on the line. So you substitute that point, you will get one condition. From that we have a alpha plus b beta. Now perpendicular distance from this point to this line, just we found that formula. Got the formula. So perpendicular distance where from alpha beta to which line? Ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 is, what about the formula? Modulus of a alpha plus b beta plus c1 by, just you put the point in the equation, by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. This distance. Okay. Now, but what about a alpha plus b beta? A alpha plus b beta is equal to minus c2. So replace a alpha plus b beta is equal to minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. That is modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. Okay, very simple proof. And what is the formula? ఈ రెండు సేమ్ ఉండాలి, x coefficient y coefficient సేమ్ ఉంటేనే ఈ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, parallels. I will give two examples. Example 1. Find the distance between distance between 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. What about the solution? You observe these two. It is they are parallel lines. Same. So what about our formula? C1 minus C2. What is C1? Minus 1. C2 is equal to 4. AB values are same. So formula C1 minus C2. Or you can write C2 minus C1 also. Modulus is there. Nothing to worry. So C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2 by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. That is 5 by root 30. You can't write minus because it is distance. You have to write always positive value. Next I will give one more example. Find the distance between 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. But we observe what is the slope of this line? Minus 3 by 2. What is the slope of this line? This is also minus 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So slopes are same. So these two lines are parallel. Okay, got my point? ఇక్కడ వరకు x coefficient y coefficient be same but not like that here. Okay, but these two are parallel lines. Given lines are parallel. How we can say that first line slope? What about the first line slope? Minus 3 by 2. Second line slope. So slopes are equal. Whenever slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. Whenever lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Then how to find such type of equation? Our formula, if these two are equal only, we can write the formula. But those are not like that. Then how to do? So you convert this in the two forms. Such a way, observe cheyandi. This is 3x and this one is 6x. And if you multiply this first equation with 2 or divide the second equation with 2, and then at a time you don't do like that. Okay? So first equation multiplying with 2, then what you will get? 6x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. I am multiplying the first equation with the number 2. 6x plus 4y minus 2. What about the equation 2? Same. 6x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. So now both are in the same form. So parallel ni చూడగానే మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే we can use the formula. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం. So what about the distance? So distance